Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on Zerion Wallet. So let's get started right away. If you use the Zerion Wallet application and log out from within the app, then you might find that some of your login credentials might still be saved. So in order to avoid this and completely log out from your account, simply long press on the Zerion Wallet application and tap on the info button at the top right corner of the pop-up. This will directly open up the application settings page for Zerion. Now, first of all, tap on the force stop button at the bottom right corner to stop the application. Then scroll down and tap on storage. Now from the storage page, tap on clear cache first at the bottom right corner and then tap on clear data at the bottom left. Then you will be asked whether you are sure you want to delete your user data. Tap on the delete button and this will clear all of your data from within the Zerion Wallet application. Now if you go back and open up the app, you will find that all of your login credentials have been erased and you have completely been logged out. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from the Zerion Wallet application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.